The Hudson River, once one of America's most polluted waterways, has been brought back to life. In an amazing triumph, Lewis Pugh, an endurance swimmer, has crossed 315 miles of the Hudson Basin.
We cannot have clean oceans without clean rivers, because everything that goes into a river ultimately goes all the way out to sea. We've got to look after our planet, and that's the bottom line. And for me, these swims are about justice. Justice between ourselves and future generations. We've got to leave our children a planet which is sustainable.
Our survival depends on fresh water, food, clean air, and a livable planet. This swim draws attention to the Global Biodiversity Framework's goal of protecting and restoring 30% of inland waters, improving the lives of children across the world.
This swim has always had one message, and that is that all our rivers should be drinkable, fishable, and swimmable.
Lewis Pugh's expedition calls for action for healthy rivers and a cleaner planet. Rivers are super important globally. They help us fight climate change and help us survive. Protect our rivers, protect our future.